Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with Mailchimp's column widths while building an email campaign, this is the tutorial you've been looking for. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to adjust column width in Mailchimp, making your emails look cleaner, more professional, and most importantly, tailored exactly the way you want them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to finesse the width of your text columns for that perfect, balanced layout. So let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Mailchimp design. That means opening up the specific campaign you want to edit and diving into the design builder. It doesn't matter if you're starting from scratch or tweaking an existing template, the process is super similar. Just take a second to make sure you're in the right editing area before we move on. Now, within the layout section, let's focus on adding content blocks. Specifically, we're looking for the text and text layout, or sometimes called the two-column text block. This option lets you place text side by side, great for pairing stories or announcements, or just giving your messages a little more visual breathing room. Drag that block into your email where you want those columns to appear. If you already have a two-column layout in place, you're one step ahead. Once you've added your text block, you'll notice a selection of templates on the right side of the screen. Don't be afraid to experiment here. These templates are pre-styled arrangements that can give your email a polished feel in just one click. Simply browse through and select a template that matches the vibe you're going for. Not only will this save you a ton of time, but it also helps ensure everything stays nicely aligned and visually appealing. Next, let's liven things up by changing the background color. This might seem purely cosmetic, but adjusting your background can actually help your columns stand out and make your message easier to read. Look for the background color controls, usually right in the Style panel, and choose a color that complements your brand or the purpose of your campaign. Maybe a light gray for something subtle, or a bold color to make a certain section pop. Take a moment to preview how your text and colors work together so your email feels both inviting and easy on the eyes. Okay, here's the heart of the tutorial, adjusting the width of those columns. You won't find a direct column width slider, but don't worry. In Mailchimp, you adjust column widths by modifying the padding inside each column. Think of padding as invisible space added to the left and right of your text. It acts like the margins in a book, moving the content inward and making each column narrower, or if you reduce the padding, wider. This is where you can really fine-tune the look. So select the text block, just click right into your column and look for the padding controls. You'll usually see options for left and right padding, sometimes in pixels. Go ahead and experiment. Add a little more left or right padding and watch how your text shifts. The more padding you add, the skinnier your column will become, which can help with readability or just help everything fit neatly on the page. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get the look you want. It's totally normal to tweak these numbers until your content lines up just right. And really, that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to adjust column width in Mailchimp by finessing those padding settings. This might seem like a small detail, but it can make a huge difference, helping your campaigns stand out, stay on brand, and feel well organized. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other Mailchimp topics you'd like me to cover. And of course, subscribe if you want more practical tips like this. See you in the next video.